Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's the start of a new week, Monday the 13th of November. In this video we're going to look at the charts on the copper price, which on TradingView has the code XCUUSD. What we'll see is that it's probably in a consolidation flag. However, we're right down at the support of the 50-day moving average. There's key support from the 9th of November, and that momentum needs to get back in positive territory. Let's look at those charts. So starting with the weekly chart, so each candle here represents 1 week, and you can see that we've had a consolidation for the last 4 weeks. We've just drifted off, very similar to what happened back in September before the last rally. So really not a concern as yet on this longer term picture. The moving averages, the 20 and 50 moving up smartly. They've moved above the 200, which continues to move down, an indication of where we've come from. That will take time to roll round, but it will start to roll. Momentum, still showing positive momentum on this weekly chart. RSI 62.86 and the MACD, perhaps they're still showing positive momentum, still well above zero, but just starting to roll. So just need to keep an eye on those, and the short term has just come below the longer term. On the daily picture, you can see the flag. Initially it found support around about the 20-day moving average. That held for over a week, but then subsided with the fall that we had on the 7th of November. We're now trading down towards the 50-day. That will give support despite the fact it's actually rolling over. So that actually the 20 and 50 are moving down. 50-day presently 3.047 is key support. I'm slightly concerned if that doesn't hold. You could see further slippage as the 20 will eventually cross that 50. If they're both moving down, then that could see the supports down at the 290 level tested. So this week I would see as critical in that we need to hold this 50-day. If we stay above it, it will start to stabilize again, given the moves, and hopefully it will give that support. Momentum is being lost. You can see the RSI in a shallow downtrend, presently at 46.99, and the MACD are tracking down as well, although they're not below zero, but the short term is well below the longer term as they move down in a parallel formation. On the 4-hour picture, here we've now moved below all the moving averages. The 20 is giving immediate resistance to the upside and pushing the market down. You can see that the 20 crossed the 50 on the 8th of November in a bearish formation as they were both moving down. That could bode badly for this chart. You can see that there's key support down on the low of 9th of November. I'll give you the exact figure on my support resistance slide in a few moments, but that is seen as a key support for this week again. Really for the upside, you can see that the 200 on this 4-hour chart continues to move up. It'd be better if we moved back above there, tested the resistance from the downtracking 50 and even moved above there for the upside momentum to get back into this market. Upside momentum, the momentum is neutral to down at the moment. RSI 43.85, although you can see that it is starting to try and get into a slight uptrend. Also positive that the low that we had on the 9th of November, the RSI wasn't as low as it was on the previous day, so the slight a slight non-confirmation there, so keep your eye on that. As I said, it would look better if the momentum gets, if the RSI gets back above 50 and we get back above that 200 day, then we could push up to the 4-hour moving average, which is just above 3.10. Looking at those supports and resistance levels, to give you the exact levels, that 50 on the, I'm in the 4-hour, not the 5-hour, is 3.1037. Second resistance at the 20-day, 11.48, with support at the 50-day, 3.0467. And then the second support is from that low of the 9th of November, 3.0465. So that's been TA for traders looking at the copper price. The chart's conclusion should be, are we in a consolidation flag? We're back to the support of the 50-day moving average. However, momentum still shifting down. For the short term, we need the supports to hold, and this week's trading is going to be critical. Thanks for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please do hit that subscribe button. I don't just do videos on commodities, I also do the FX markets, equity indices and single stocks in the UK and the US. These videos are my opinion and they're not meant as an investment recommendation. I'm just going to show you a quick disclaimer. Please read it at your will. Thank you.